Hello, it's been a minute. Guess what we're doing today? An unboxing. This is a fashion file unboxing. I have talked about in previous videos that I was working on my luxury handbag collection, slowly rebuilding it. I've tried a few contemporary bags lately, been focusing on Coach. My last Coach bag didn't work out. So this bag is from a brand that's not really represented a lot in my handbag collection, my small but growing handbag collection. It is a luxury designer bag, and I honestly don't see a lot from this bag's designer that generally moves me, but this style has kind of captured my interest. So when I saw this color, I thought it was actually another color when I saw it online. Decided to do a reserve because I wanted to give myself some runway to sell off a few items in order to supplement the costs of this. Now, one thing that I brought last year in Paris was a pair of Gucci loafers, and they've been sitting in my closet collecting dust. I kept trying them on with things, but I've just determined that they weren't my style. So that was part of the money that funded this item. And let me just go ahead and show you what it is. So I love Fashion File. It's my favorite luxury resale site. I think the pictures are great and they show a lot of detail, and they usually under promise and over deliver on the condition of the bag. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you what I got. It has the file. I actually like the Fashion File files. We're going to sit this to the side. Here's the bag. Ooh. A little bit more confetti. Here's the Fashion File dust bag. Oh, they got it really tied up there. So here it is. It does have the little rain jacket that comes with the Fendi bags. And it has a Fendi dust bag. And it has, and this was a selling point for me, it has one of the thicker Fendi straps. And the clasps are circular. Do a quick inspection. I'm looking for corner wear. I don't see a lot of it. The interior of the bag is suede or micro suede, it looks like. I'm looking for stains. Like I said, I think they under promised and over delivered on this bag because it is gorgeous inside. On both sides, can you see the interior? Suede with the brown and tan interior. Has a divider in the middle that is standard for the peekaboo styles. This is a beautiful bag. As I may have mentioned, when I got this, I thought it was a black bag, but the color is actually tobacco. So here it is with the strap. There are very few, maybe small flaws on the bag. This is my second peekaboo. Definitely a size difference. Different on the sides. Different on the bottoms. In different straps. and straplings. No, looks like just different straps. I am planning to wear more brown this season, and I'm getting brown loafers and just a few, you know, brown accessories, wardrobe pieces. And I think this will be a great bag to wear every season just as a nice dark neutral. This was a bag I waited on since 2022 to come to the resale market. Tried it on in store and it was a no, baby. This is no. Brand new? No. But you know, on the resale market, it's not new and of the moment, so the price was right. I made sure that I called UPS to let them know, don't pass by my place without dropping off this doggone bag. Because with Fashion File, it's sign on delivery, and so they'll make an attempt. If you're not there or they can't get you like that, they'll skip it and reschedule it on another day. I did not have time for that. I'm gonna be ripping and running in these streets, and I don't have time for them to not deliver today. Today was the day. But I'm so pleased that it was actually delivered, and the condition looks so great. The interior is so unique. This is going to easily become one of my favorite bags. I do have a growing collection. This is not the only bag that I plan on purchasing over spring and summer. I do have some Celine bags and a little Loewe on my list. We will see what happens. I got a little Bottega on the list. I'm very mindful not to share what I want because some of the things that I want are limited edition, older. If I put it out there and inspire someone, they might beat me to the punch and get the bag, and I don't want that for me, okay? So as I build this collection, I'll make sure that I share. Might even hop on and put on a little makeup. Maybe, maybe not. This is a Fendi Mini Peekaboo Iconic Satchel. Yes. So Fendi Mini Peekaboo. So this is the Fendi Shiny Napa Petite Peekaboo ICU, okay? And this is the Mini Peekaboo Iconic Satchel Habano Tobacco, a lot of words. Now I've traveled with this and I've been out with this, and I think it's a lovely bag, a great crossbody. It's an occasion bag, it's a travel bag, it is a going out bag. I'm not quite sure what this is gonna be. Definitely not a work bag. Weekend, off duty, travel, out with friends. I can definitely see that. It is better in person than I thought it would be. Once I realized that it was actually tobacco brown, I like it even more. And I think it's going to be very much of the season with this color. The interior is really beautiful, but because it seems to be very delicate, I'll be very mindful of what I put in this bag. And I might even see if I can find some purse inserts for this. So here it is, crossbody, pretty cute. I really like the length that it's on. Yeah. Girl, I think I like the regular Mini Peekaboo more than the Peekaboo ICU a little bit. Oh, isn't that something? I do see one flaw. Maybe it's not a flaw. Maybe, I don't know. The glazing isn't completely perfect, but that is okay. I still love it. So, got a little peekaboo collection started here. I think we're gonna pause now, unless I find a black. When I found this, I was on the hunt for a black bag that can be worn crossbody that was a mini bag. And so this one came up. Like I said, it appeared to be black, but was actually brown. So the black bag is still coming. I'm also looking for another colorful bag this season. And then we're gonna chill. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss a single video. If you enjoy handbag videos, I will leave a playlist for you here. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.